Hello everyone, this is my first video for Quantum Espresso tutorials. In this video, I will show you what are the softwares that we need for uh, these tutorials for the DFT calculations. So you need Quantum Espresso, that is free software. There are many videos in the internet from where you can see how to download Quantum Espresso. Maybe you already have a Quantum Espresso in your supercomputer. In if you don't have Quantum Espresso in your local computer, then you can easily download it. You can find so many tutorials in YouTube and also search in Google for downloading Quantum Espresso. Another software is VESTA. Um, Let me share my screen and show you how it looks. Another software is VESTA. So I have kept it here. You can see VESTA. I may also create a different playlist for this software separately for VESTA. So visualization for electronic and structural analysis. You can search for VESTA in Google and you can freely download it. Let me show you. So this website, JP Minerals, you can click this link and then here you can see for Windows, you can download from here. For Mac, for Linux, it's better if you download the latest stable version. Okay. So from here you can download and you can just extract and then you can use this software easily. Another software that I use is Notepad++. So also search this Notepad++ in Google and you can easily download it. Okay, so let me open it. So Notepad++ looks like this. Download Notepad++. Also, you need OriginPro for plotting. So I have Origin 2026. So this is paid software. This is provided by my university. This is paid software. So I request all of you to use paid software. Don't use crack software. If you want to use similar type of plotting software, there are lots of plotting softwares available in the internet. And also you can use XM Grace. There is another software called XM Grace. But the way I plot for that Origin Pro is the best software for plotting. So find your friends if you don't have the paid software so that they can plot for you. So you may find friends like collaboration and you can he or she can plot for you. Let me send this to desktop. Okay, so here is Origin 2026. Let me open and show you how it looks. So it looks like this. um, and other softwares that you need is you need VASPKIT. Okay, so VASPKIT is GUI based. Let me show you in Google. Okay, so another software is VASPKIT. For VASPKIT, this website use the source for the website. You can download it, and then from the click download, and there is certain process to install it. I already have it, but still, if you want to see how to download this, uh, how to install it, let me show you. So it will, you have to give the path like for downloads. Save. So it's downloaded. Suppose I want to download here and install here. So you can just copy that from your download and you can move it here. Okay, so here it is. Let me cut it and let me take it to Ubuntu. So I pasted here in Linux. And then so here you can see VASPKIT. This one you don't need it, so I can just delete it. So I need this one. Okay. So first let extract it. So it's extracted. Here is the folder. Let's go inside this folder. And then here you can see there is setup.sh. So what you have to do is //setup.sh. So after doing this, you have to run this. So copy this and then run this. So it's ready now. Now if you go from back also, you can go any location and just type VASPKIT, then enter. So here you can see so many options. So we can use this to create our input files for Quantum Espresso. Actually, this works for VAPs, but also you can create input files for Quantum Espresso. So if you go to 4 and enter, and you can see 416 Quantum Espresso. So you can create input file for Quantum Espresso using this software VASPKIT. Okay, so you can quit this. Similarly, we can use Python for some time, like we need the help of programming language. For that, we can use Python. And also there is GNU plot, XMGrace. So there are many other softwares that you may need to install and you may need to use for using the DFT calculation for Quantum Espresso. So in next video, I'll show you how we can create the input file for Quantum Espresso and run relax calculation. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you.